What I wish I knew at 12 instead of 22, the saw-scaled viper is not to be messed with. The saw-scaled viper is a tiny terror, just 2 feet long but packing a venomous punch. Found in Africa, the Middle East, and India, this snake is responsible for more human deaths than any other serpent. It's venom, a cocktail of deadly toxins that can cause uncontrolled bleeding and organ failure. And get this, its bite can kill in as little as 2 hours. Yikes! But that's not all. This viper is a master of camouflage, blending perfectly with the sandy ground, and don't forget subscribe for more update.